Hello everyone! In this video, Technologia will show you the mango cultivation process in Australia. The cultivation process begins with the selection of premium mango varieties such as Kensington Pride and Calypso, both of which are well known for their sweet flavor, smooth texture, and distinctive aroma. The next stage is land preparation. Farmers select sandy or loamy soils with good drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Large tractors are used to loosen and level the soil, allowing irrigation systems to be installed efficiently. This preparation stage typically takes 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the soil condition and the size of the orchard. Once the land is ready, young mango trees are planted at carefully planned intervals and maintained at a relatively short height of approximately 2 to 4 meters. Tree height is controlled through intensive pruning using specialized trimming machines as well as manual pruning tools. This practice improves air circulation, simplifies maintenance, speeds up harvesting, and increases the tree's resistance to strong winds. As the trees begin to grow, drip irrigation systems deliver water and fertilizers directly to the root zone. Many commercial orchards also utilize soil moisture sensors to ensure that each tree receives the optimal amount of water. Routine orchard management includes pruning, fertilization, and pest control. Organic fertilizers are applied using fertilizer spreaders, while pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and stem borers are controlled with organic pesticides applied through modern agricultural sprayers. Before harvesting, farmers carefully inspect the maturity of the fruit. Mango samples are tested using a refractometer to measure their sugar content, expressed in degrees Brix. Mangoes with a Brix level of approximately 12 to 15 are generally considered ready for harvest. Farmers also visually examine the skin color and flesh quality to ensure the fruit has reached optimal ripeness. Harvesting is carried out using 2 different methods. In large commercial orchards, automated harvesting machines equipped with soft mechanical grippers gently pick the fruit without damaging its skin. Meanwhile, in smaller orchards or for premium quality mangoes, harvesting is still performed manually using specialized picking tools. After harvesting, the mangoes are transported to a packing facility where they are sorted according to quality, washed, dried, and graded by size and color. The fruit is then carefully packed to minimize damage during transportation and distribution. Overall, mango cultivation in Australia is designed to maximize productivity while maintaining high-quality standards through the use of advanced agricultural technologies and efficient orchard management practices.